I'm Eric Bakke, Clean Energy Product Specialist with Warner Electric Supply. We'd like to introduce the Q-Cell product line, 60-cell Q-Peak Dual, Q-Peak Plus, and the 72-cell Q-Peak Dual. We're excited to announce that the 72-cell Q-Peak Dual are manufactured right here in the U.S. with a brand new manufacturing facility in Dalton, Georgia, with a capacity of 1.6 gigawatts. This is the largest solar production facility in the Western Hemisphere that employs approximately 500 employees at full capacity. This facility is providing the latest innovations in solar technology. The new half-cut cells with 6 bus bar technology allow for more efficient electron transfer and higher efficiency ratings. This leads to higher yield per surface area, lower BOS costs, higher power classes, and an efficiency rating up to 19.9%. If you'd like to learn more about solar technologies, contact the Clean Energy Group at Warner Electric Supply.